there are some palabas na makikita mo na, oh, parang nangyari sa akin 'to. Tapos a piece of your heart, parang kinukurot yung puso mo na, "Oh my God, ganito din yung nangyari sa akin," na it brings you back in time. And then after that movie 'no, iisipin mo na ng iisipin yun. Tapos, oo nga, bakit ganito? Tas yun na yun, that's what we call it was embedded in your subconscious minds. It's more of like, akala mo lang it's on the surface eh. Pero kapag pumunta tayo kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay mo, may root cause pala lahat ng mga pangyayari sa buhay natin. And that's the reason why I really love going into a holistic healing, kasi it's not just one pill, magic pill na it will go away, pero nandun pa rin yun. Kasi ang holistic healing, it will go to the deeper level ng mga pinakatatago mong mga something. And then, the bottom belief, that what we call belief system,
Mhm.
nandun pala yung pinaka-root cause nun